Hello everyone. GATE 2025 results are out and today we have with us Salil Guzar, All India rank GATE CS 547. So first of all, congratulations Salil
Thank you.
for your achievement. So how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling very elated. I can't believe what I'm seeing right now. Overall, I'm very happy.
So can you take us back to the moment when you have seen your result? What was your reaction and who are the people you told your result first?
So the moment I saw my result, I couldn't think straight. I was totally taken aback. I was trying to process what was happening in front of me. I was, uh, I was on cloud nine. I couldn't think straight, and then after a while, I put my thoughts together and I went to my parents, took their blessings, and then I brought sweets. After that, after a while, I went to my teacher, RSV sir, and then I brought sweets to him, like मिठाई खिला दी उनको.
Okay, so did you celebrate or it was just a feeling of relief?
Yes, it was a huge weight off my shoulders. I always thought that I couldn't make it into an IIT someday. So that was a real reality checker to me that I could make it to an IIT instead of not making it. And I'm totally happy, like exhilarated, excited. Words are less to express my feelings right now.
Okay. So when did you first decided to prepare for GATE? Was a plan or something inspired you?
So I started my gate journey in gate 20 with gate 2024. I just winged that attempt. Like I did not prepare anything. I went without studying. So I found out that I could score about 25 marks. So which was about 20,000. Okay. So then I thought, I don't know, I'm not sure. Then I went to sir, asked him like, what can I do something with this? Like, can I do better next year? So sir told me, don't worry, you will do better next year if you put in the hard work. No one can stop you. So that's how sir motivated me, and that's what caused me to change my decision. I always initially I hadn't planned to pursue GATE. I had planned to focus on my college, and then I also did well in my college. Like I got 10 pointers many a times. But after a while, I realized after speaking with my seniors that my college placements were not very well. Like they were below average. So I thought I have to do something special. Otherwise, I'll be left in the dust for the rest of my life. So I had to do better than this. So I thought I started exploring my options. Eventually, I stumbled upon the Quora page of Jaideep Pawar, and then I read through his journey. I was totally in awe about how he prepared and how sir motivated him. So I thought that was very cool, and I approached sir after that in March 2024.
Okay, so you started in March.
I started my proper preparation and joined the classes in May 2024.
Okay, so many students struggle with consistency. How did you kept yourself motivated in that?
So my peer group played a very pivotal role in this. I prepared for GATE with my college friends as well as my friends in the class. My college friends were Benin, Shantanu, Aditya, rank 12, and Soham, rank 460. Okay, so they all kept me on track and kept me motivated all the time. Like I couldn't go off track at any moment. Like I couldn't just think of it because we were in this together. Like we were always studying together, talking to each other, solving our doubts together. Peer group, of course, played a major role in my preparation.
Okay, so what was your routine during your preparation?
So my routine during my preparation was I used to wake up at 10 a.m. in the morning, and then I used to this is about January times, okay? So I used to wake up at 10 a.m. in the morning and then study till like 4 a.m. in the night, of course, or morning, whatever.
Okay, so what was the most challenging phase of your preparation? Maybe a subject, low score, or just a self-doubt?
So the most challenging part which I found was picking up on those subjects which are not initially in my IT engineering course. So I have done BIT. So many subjects were not in my course, like compiler design, discrete maths, digital logic. So I definitely struggled in those subjects initially. Eventually, I picked up on those subjects through sir's efforts and my very own. Of course, my peer group helped as well, and then I could perform in it as well.
So have you referred any books or references for all your subjects?
Actually, I stayed loyal to the sir's notes. I only referred those notes. I did not go out of those notes. I did not refer any reference books.
Okay. So, in the test series, have you given any topic-wise test or directly the subject-wise test and the FLTs?
So what happened is we started in my peer group. We started giving subject-wise tests in about September, October. So I gave those about 5 to 9 subject-wise tests, and then after that I was busy with the college. So after that I just straight up went to FLTs and I gave about 20 FLTs. I did not give any topic-wise tests or also any subject-wise tests apart from that.
Okay. So in the beginner phase, we are not able to solve certain questions. So what was your approach there and how it gradually changed?
So my approach initially was very casual. I was not paying any attention to details. Like I was just winging it out of the blue. I was not thinking about anything. But later on, I thought, of course, it is costing me a lot of marks now. So I have to lock in and do something about this. So what I did was I started paying attention meticulously to the minute details. So that's when my graph started going up, performance graph.
Okay. And during the exam, have you managed your time? And what was your approach means while attempting the sections?
So I did not follow any well-defined approach. I just went with the default order, of course. I started with the GS section and I gave about 20 to 25 minutes to it, and the rest of the time I utilized for the technical section. And I tried to give about 2 minutes for each question, regardless of the marks, which was very reckless, I know. But
Okay, so during your preparation, have you balanced both technical part and the aptitude part?
I tried to balance both of them. Like, of course, the technical part has more theory in it. So, of course, I've got to put in more time in it. The GA part, I only tried to go with the flow. I did not do any specific preparation for it. I only did the questions which sir had discussed in the class. So, and the rest of it, I trusted my test series experience to go and make something out of it.
Okay. So, what was your biggest challenge during the journey and how did you overcome it?
So my biggest challenge was I was around December end. I was stuck around 40, 45, 50 marks. So I tried to get out of that slump by consistently giving test series, a full length test every day. So that's how I got out of the slump.
Okay. So, if you can go back at your preparation phase, what are the mistakes you will avoid?
So, like I said, I gave about 20 FLTs and no topic wise tests, and about no subject wise tests either. So, I will try to fix that. Also, I tried to focus too much on the PYQs. I only did my studying around the concepts that had been discussed in the PYQs. So, what I would remedy is I would try to do the core concepts properly, and then I would jump to the subject wise and topic wise tests. I'll give them properly, and then I'll give about 70 FLT starting from August or September.
Okay. So, how did you plan your month before exam?
A month before the exam, I tried giving FLTs every single day, and I also in the remaining time I tried to do the PYQs properly and the review of the paper that I had given.
Okay. So, is there any golden tip you want to give to the next case aspirants?
So you should give more FLTs, more tests. You will never be 100% prepared for the said topic. Okay. you should not try to be a perfectionist. You should give tests as soon as possible, preferably by August, and it will land your good score eventually. You should only trust in the process and leave everything else to God. Like, you should only put in the hard work.
Okay. So thank you so much, Salil. It
Thank
is
you.
really an insightful session, and I hope all the aspirants will find it useful in their preparation journey. Thank you so much, and
Thank you.
congratulations.
Thank you.